Good afternoon, we love food world with Ricardo and Antonia septimo. So today I got a special recipe cooked a long time ago by my parents, my grandmother, long time ago. And the recipe is MILHO frito, so fried cornmeal, which I got a nice recipe, yeah? So in the kitchen I am. You're gonna love this one.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia septimo from Filipines and Ricardo nunes from Madeira.
Pessoal, para esta receita, milho frito, vai precisar de farinha de milho, alho, cebolinha, a couvinha verde e quenor de galinha. So I got the cornmeal, spring onions, the Savoy cabbage, we got chicken stock, and we got garlic and water as well. So I'm gonna show you step by step. Okay, here we go. We got doing some MILHO frito today, eh? So the recipe, first thing I need to do is boil some water. Let's get the oven on. Let's put the oven, so boil some water. Boil the water, yeah, ferver a água. Vamos ferver a água primeiro. Ok, mais ou menos meio litro de água, half a liter of water. Yeah, so half a liter of water. Then I got the chicken stock in the water. Vamos meter the chicken stock na água. Okay, and the garlic, I'm gonna put the garlic now as well, garlic, in the water. So, got the vegetable stock and the garlic in the water. So next thing is the onions, the spring onion. Let's cut the spring onion very small. This knife is not very sharp. Okay, let's cut the spring onions very small. Yeah. Cebolinha, vamos cortar a cebolinha muito pequenininha, pessoal. Muito pequenininha, vamos cortar pequenininha. Já temos a cebolinha aqui. Espetáculo. A cebolinha. Ok, a cebolinha está toda picada aqui, pá, pessoal. Ok. Agora vamos meter a cebolinha ali na água. Yes, add the spring onions to the water. Everything there, Okay, everything there, So we got garlic, spring onion, water and chicken stock, everything in there, okay? So next thing you're gonna do some the leaves of the cabbage, yes. Just need the green leaves, yeah. Ok, cozinha verde, né? Ok, pessoal, né? Agora vamos picar, né? Vamos picar muito pequenininha. Yeah, gonna very fine. You need to do this nice and fine, né? Nice and fine. Vamos picar, vai ficar bem picadinha. Vai ficar bem pequenininha. Yeah, this will be nice and fine, eh? So you need to do it. Don't give up, eh? Yeah, the water is starting to boil now, eh? The water is starting to boil. Yeah, nice and fine, eh? Never give up, eh? Until it gets completely fine. That recipe I used to eat when I was little. I used to eat this recipe a lot. My grandma used to make for me. And after we're gonna cook it, and we're gonna let it set in a plate. We're gonna cut into cubes and we're gonna deep fry it after that. Eh? Vamos fazer esta aqui. Vamos cozer toda a lei. Vamos pôr num prato para ficar tudo duro e depois vou cortar nos cubinhos e depois vou fritar, né? No óleo. Né? Vai ficar um espetáculo, pá. Uma delícia esta receita, é pessoal? É pessoal? Está a ver? Porque é tudo bem picadinho assim, é? É a cebola, a couvinha. Vamos pôr tudo aqui dentro, é? Quero mix everything, cook everything, é? Yeah? Yeah, nice, eh? Everything is cooking now. Okay, now with your wooden spoon, let's mix it. Delícia. Okay? Cornmeal next, eh? Vamos ao milho, eh? Farinha de milho, eh? Agora, farinha de milho vamos deite-a. Vamos deite-a a farinha de milho e vamos misturar. E vamos misturar só. Que é uma delícia. Que é uma delícia, pessoal, né? Vamos meter a farinha ali. Isto vai ficar uma delícia espetacular. Agora tenho que mostrar bem. Ok, pessoal. Now we need to mix that a lot. Temos que mostrar bem. 20 minutos, 20 minutos temos que mostrar isto. 20 minutes you have to mix that until it cooks completely. And it needs to be hard like that. So it needs to cook for 20 minutes. That's milho frito from Madeira. Traditional from Madeira, where I was born. Isto é o milho frito tradicional da Madeira, onde nasci.
MILHO frito.
Tem que ficar duro, pá. Sim. Isto aqui já estou a ferver aqui já há 20 minutos ali, sempre a ferver. Depois. Yeah, looks delicious, Thanks for watching. Vamos ver, pá, ali a cozinhar. Uma delícia. The milho frito is ready, so I need to put in a pan here, in a plate. So it needs to cool down. You know, it needs to cool down, so after it's gonna be set to fry, so it's gonna be delicious. Look at that, Sandra, look at that, delicious, Ó pessoal, milho frito da Madeira, não está frito ainda, mas vou fritar, Agora tenho que ficar aqui por 2 horas para ficar frio. I need to stay there to rest for 2 hours, and after I'm gonna cut into cubes and I'm gonna fry it. So this will be my recipe for milho frito from Madeira Island. We love food world in the kitchen. We are.
Thumbs up!
É pessoal, aqui está o meu milho frito já feito ali, tudo no pratinho, tudo bonitinho, espetáculo. Milho frito feito pelo Ricardo. Now, this is the milho frito, so it needs to be done like this. Frying pan is very hot, like you see. That's what you want, nice and hot. Look at it now. Oh, fire! Hey, in the kitchen we have fire.
Be careful.
That's okay. Okay, now we need to fry. Now, fry them in a very hot oil. It needs to be hot, Yeah. Whoa, fire! Okay, it's frying now,
Be careful.
It means it's hot oil. Be careful and burn your hand, Yeah. Yeah, that's how you do milho frito. You need to fry it, You gotta put lots of here in the frying pan. It's a big frying pan. So let's fry it until it goes nice and crispy. Okay. So it's gonna take about, I don't know, 10 minutes to for fry both sides, eh? So
To be crispy and brown.
brown, yeah. Thanks. Frying nicely. Look at that, eh? Looking nice, looking good, everything. Yeah, still frying. I just turn the other side around here. So still frying. So looking good. So I'll try them around. So later on I need to turn it around again. Wow, look at that, delicious, eh? Looking yummy, yummy. MILHO frito from Madeira Island. We love food world with Ricardo and Antonia septimo. Wow, delicious. Delicious, oh, love it, love it. People, look at that delicious MILHO frito here, done. Looks so delicious, nice and fried now. Oh, look at that, eh? That can go, the MILHO frito that can go with anything, you know. It can go as a complement with beef, fish, anything, chicken. It can go as a complement with everything. So it looks delicious, very nice, very easy to make. And the recipe will be down below the video. So MILHO frito done by Ricardo Nunes. Eh? We love food world.
Okay, now I'm gonna try the specialty of Madeira. What it's called again?
MILHO frito.
MILHO frito.
There's a fried. Made with the corn. With the corn.
With the corn.
Corn, cabbage. And it's crunchy, eh? Crunchy, eh? It's a nice. It's a vegetarian thing, but it's nice. You can go with any kinds of meat. Eh? Is it nice? Tasty? Crunchy?
Very nice and tasty. A little
Mm.
salty, but yeah, I think that's normal.
So, yeah, we put a bit salt there. Nice. Crispy. So here we go, MILHO frito. So BK already tried. Okay. Lot of flavor.
Yeah.
MILHO frito.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.